Let's learn alphabet. A for apple. B for boat. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grass. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snail. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks a lot.